practice problem 1 for turning this story problem into a linear equation. And let's just review our notes. Remember, we need to find our slope or our rate of change. We need to find our y-intercept or our starting point. And we need to define our variables. And I wait to do that last after I figured the rest out because I know once I have my slope, I'll be able to figure out which is my independent variable. Define our variables. All right, so Lynn is tracking the progress of her plant's growth. Today, the plant is 5 centimeters high, and the plant grows 1.5 centimeters per day. So that word per, I'm going to grab onto that. I know that 1.5 centimeters per day is going to be our slope. Okay, so 1.5 centimeters per day is our slope. And the plant is already 5 centimeters high, so that's our starting point. Okay, look, we're almost done with this. We just need to define our variables. Per day means that X is the number of days. And that leaves Y being the height of the plant. Whoops, in T. Mr. Zielinski likes to write these always as numbers. So height of plant, you could also write Y is equal to the number of centimeters. Okay, because that's what your answer is going to actually be in. Now, we just need to substitute in to our slope-intercept form. Let's write that down. Actually, write that, go back and write this in the notes that we just took. Slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b. So y stays y. M is 1.5. X stays x because x could be any amount of days, y could be any number of centimeters. Plus, and our starting point was 5. So you could read this sentence, this number sentence, as the height of the plant is equal to 1.5 centimeters per day. So you read x is day, you read y is height, plus 5 centimeters, right? The height of the plant is equal to 1.5 centimeters per day plus the original 5 centimeters that it started at. I thought I was done, but let's go finish question B. What will the height be after 20 days? So x is the variable that stands for the number of days, so we're going to rewrite this equation, but instead of x, we're going to put in 20 and figure out what that y would be. So y, and this becomes very important throughout the year and throughout the rest of your math career, is equal to 1.5 times, instead of x, 20 plus 5. Now let's see if I can do this in my head and get the correct answer. Multiplication first, 1.5 times 20 is going to be 30 plus 5 should be 35. So you can always write your answers in complete sentences by using an if-then. If my plant grows for 20 days, or Lynn's plant anyway, grows 20 days, then it will be 35 centimeters